Guys, welcome back. I am in my farm now. We are changing waters and salting fish and doing some other things. So I decided to start this vlog here. It's a start of a new vlog. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing okay. So guys, stay back, make sure you watch the vlog to the end and enjoy this vlog. So guys, I just stocked up on feed yesterday. This is blue crown, 15 kg blue crown fish feed. Guys, this thing now is 32,000 naira. This feed, we used to buy it 7,500 around 2 years ago. But now, one bag like this is 32,000 naira. So you can imagine how much this. In fact, this is all I can afford now. Businesses in Nigeria, it's something else. This one is made in Nigeria. This one is made in Nigeria. So you can imagine the imported ones, the foreign ones, how much it will be now. I think it's around 60, 70 something thousand now. I cannot even afford that one again. I cannot even afford it. I don't know. Sometimes I always think about young Nigerian youth that have not started doing anything for themselves. Sometimes I wonder how they can, they can even manage to start businesses now in Nigeria, because it's not funny. People will just tell you, do business, do business. This is how we are going to manage. It's not funny again. In fact, I wanted to cry yesterday. Just look at one bag of fish feed, 32,000 naira. How much will I now sell the fish when I dry it? Or how much will I sell a kg of fish again? Business in Nigeria is no longer sweet again. You are not making anything. No longer sweet. God has helped us in this country. So let me just show you people what business people are passing through now. We are not making anything again. God help us. Hey guys, see this banana from my farm. We took it out last weekend. 3 days now, Abby. Oh my God, see them. You are gonna enjoy it. You know if you finish these things, so I'll give some to my workers and my neighbors. So yeah. So I'm here at my plantain farm to cut off some plantain here, because actually these plantains are not doing well. They're not doing well. They're supposed to be bigger than this. They are all more than 1 year. So I'm here to take some of them out. Anyone that is coming out, I'll just take it out. No need to wait for so long or to wait for it to grow so big, because I know it will not grow. So that's that. This one bad investment. See, this is not fun.
Let's go.
See this one. This plantain is not reform you. I was able to get these 4 bunches. I'll just eat them. Maybe give some to my neighbors or sell some to my mother or my mother. It didn't do well. If I tell you people that this plantain did not do well, it will look like I'm joking. In fact, let me show you guys the one in my farm. This is the one in my farm. This one should be around 62 fingers or 60 or even more than 62. So this is exactly how plantain is supposed to look like. You see? See how well these ones are doing. See? See this one again. Those ones are inside my farm. You see another one? Another one from my farm again. See? Yeah. That's exactly how it's supposed to look like. So, those ones did not do well. I'm supposed to sell those plantains too. I'm supposed to sell it and not eat it or share it. See this banana? Just look at. Do you guys know why this thing is like this? It's because they're drinking fish water. They're soaking up fish water. It's giving them all the nutrients they're supposed to get. All the dirty water from the fish. Once I remove water from my pond, everything is going here. It's going inside the plantain and the banana. That's why the ones inside my farm are doing well. Because there's one sucker. There's one plantain that I love the species. So I took the sucker from that my plantain farm and I put it here. See it here because this plantain is very nice. The one I cooked, all those plantain that after you finish cooking me and sweet and soft. That's why I put this one here. So that is the species. Let me see the size. I don't understand this type of breeze that broke my precious pawpaw tree. See my pawpaw. Eh? What type of breeze broke this thing now? Oh, it's like this one has ripe. Kai. Guys, when I tell you guys I know my onions in this business, best believe it. These fishes are 3 months old now. Look how big they are. They're even okay for drying if I want to dry it. But I want to keep them for some time now. They're so hungry. They're eating now. They're doing so well. Yeah. So guys, I'm on my way home now. So let me end this vlog because I noticed I've not been ending my vlog these days. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this farm girl doing her thing. And please, if you have not subscribed, give me a subscribe now. Please give me thumbs up when you watch my videos. And all those good stuff. Subscribe, comment, like, share. I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye guys.